Welcome to today's discussion on the latest business news. I'm Sonia.
And I'm Simon. Let's dive into the stories shaping the Indian market right now.
The combined market valuation of 9 of India's top 10 most valued companies surged by 2.15 lakh crore last week. Bharti Airtel led the gains, with its market valuation rising by 52,432.67 crore to 11.63 lakh crore.
That's a significant jump. What triggered this rally in the market?
The reporting suggests it was due to a strong rally in domestic equities amid improving global risk sentiment. Easing geopolitical tensions and improved global investor confidence also played a role.
So the global factors had a positive impact on the Indian market. Did any other companies see substantial gains?
Yes, LIC was another major gainer. Although the exact figures for LIC weren't specified, Bharti Airtel was highlighted as the biggest winner among the top 10 firms.
That's interesting. How did Reliance Industries perform during this period?
Reliance Industries retained its position as the most valued company, despite a slight dip in TCS's market cap being mentioned. The focus was more on the overall gain across the top firms rather than individual movements.
Got it. So the market cap surge was broad-based across the top firms. What's the outlook for these companies moving forward?
The articles don't provide specific future projections, but the overall sentiment seems positive due to the improving global risk appetite.
Let's shift gears to Tata Motors. They secured over 3,400 electric commercial vehicle orders across various segments. What does this indicate about the electric vehicle market in India?
This significant order book suggests a growing adoption of electric mobility solutions in India's freight and passenger transportation sectors. It highlights Tata Motors' leadership in the electric commercial vehicle market.
3,400 orders is a substantial number. Are these orders across different types of commercial vehicles?
Yes, the orders span across small commercial vehicles, trucks, and buses destined for diverse sectors like e-commerce and logistics. This indicates a broad-based adoption across different industries.
That's a positive sign for the EV ecosystem in India. Does this mean we're seeing a shift beyond pilot projects towards larger-scale integration?
Exactly. The reporting suggests that this surge indicates a move beyond pilot projects towards large-scale integration of electric vehicles into daily commercial operations. Tata Motors is expanding its comprehensive EV solutions.
The Enforcement Directorate has attached assets worth over 1,023 crore in connection with an illegal iron ore mining case in Goa. Can you walk us through the details?
The ED's probe into the Salgo R Group and Associates revealed illegal mining activities between 2007-2012, generating over 2,492 crore in crime proceeds. These funds were allegedly laundered through offshore entities, with the total crime value estimated at 5,237 crore.
That's a massive amount. What kind of assets were attached by the ED?
The attached assets include 99 immovable properties in India, valued at 459.10 crore, 31 immovable properties in Singapore, worth 471.32 crore, and equity shares in Indian companies valued at 93.42 crore.
The involvement of international assets, like those in Singapore, complicates the case, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. The ED's action indicates a thorough investigation that goes beyond domestic boundaries, highlighting the complexity of money laundering in such cases.
Oil marketing companies are expected to face challenges through FY27 due to under-recoveries in Q1 FY27. Can you elaborate on this?
According to a report by Prabhadas Lilladher, the under-recoveries will weigh on the profitability of oil marketing companies. There's also a risk of excise duty rollback, which could further impact them.
How have crude prices been behaving recently? That usually has a significant impact on OMCs.
Brent crude prices dropped below $80 per barrel following the U.S.-Iran ceasefire, improving near-term sentiment. However, persistent volatility in prices and inventory rebuilding are expected to limit further downside, keeping margins compressed.
So, while the recent decline in crude prices provides some relief, the overall outlook remains challenging due to various factors.
That's right. The ongoing market volatility and required inventory adjustments are expected to squeeze profit margins for OMCs.
Voltas achieved a significant milestone by selling 1 million AC units in the first quarter of FY27. What does this say about the company's performance and the AC market in India?
This achievement reflects strong consumer trust and a refreshed product portfolio for Voltas. It reinforces the company's leadership in India's competitive AC market.
The RAC industry expects good sales this year after a dull year in 2025. What factors are driving this optimism?
Sales were impacted in 2025 due to unseasonal rainfall, among other factors. This year, demand is expected to be boosted by intense heat waves and strategic company initiatives.
It sounds like the industry is bouncing back. Is Voltas' success indicative of the overall market trend?
Yes, Voltas' success is seen as a positive sign for the industry. The company's record sales in a short period suggests a robust demand for ACs driven by both consumer need and company strategies.
As we wrap up today's discussion, it's clear that various sectors in India are experiencing significant developments. From market valuations to electric vehicle adoption, and from regulatory actions to company performances, there's a lot to watch in the coming months.
Absolutely. The trends we're seeing across these stories will likely continue to shape the business landscape in India. Thank you for joining us today, Simon.
Thank you, Sonia. It's been a pleasure discussing these important stories with you. Until next time.
Until next time, goodbye.